One of these 5 templates is a game your audience literally can't win on purpose, and it's going to make sure that they watch it a few times over, really driving up your engagement. These are the 5 different Instagram trends that we dropped this week inside of Trend Drops. And this week, all of these trends are super early or ones that we've kind of crafted based on what we've seen trending in the past. I'm going to show you what exactly each one is doing, and then I'm going to show you how to adjust it for your brand. Trend number 1 is pause to get it for free Instagram Reel. Basically, you are telling people to screenshot the perfect moment where the phone aligns in this little square so that they can win something for free from you. And the trick is we've built a custom animation into this template so that it actually never perfectly lands in the square, leaning into the joke and the fact that they will never actually win the prize. Rewatches are one of the best things you can do to boost engagement on your Instagram Reels, and this format really leans into that. There have been a few different variations of this trend floating around, but this one really leans into the game and is really going to encourage people to try over and over and over again until they're in on the joke. So how you would make this template yours is literally just 2 very, very simple things. You're just going to change the text prompt that we've given you, and you can change the background. You totally don't have to, but if it doesn't quite fit your brand vibe, feel free to switch that out. But the custom animation, the graphic, all of that is already done for you. That's the hard part. Trend number 2 is going to be the That's So You carousel. And this one's a little bit more creator coded. And even if you're a small business owner or you have a brand of sorts, this is a great way to personalize with your audience. This is where you can share your style, your favorite things that you like, and anything else that feels like you. And it works because the curation in and of itself shows off your personality. And your audience learns a little bit more about you without you having to get so vulnerable and crazy on the internet, spilling your deepest, darkest secrets, but instead you just get to show a little bit more of yourself. And even if your brand is a bit more professional, sometimes your brand can lean into a bit more of that humanization, especially here on social media right now. Now, how you make this one yours is simply by swapping out the photos. In this one, you can go crazy and swap out every single one in the carousel. You can make this as personal as possible, maybe even change some of the font colors, but overall, this is yours to customize. We have kind of put in some more standard stock photos that would work across most brands, but truthfully, this is drag and drop. You can just grab the images you want to grab from your recent brand shoot or screenshots in your iPhone, even photos of your dog, whatever fits you and your personality best. This one still only takes just a few minutes to curate because we've created the template for you. Trend number 3 is 5 things worth the money. And now this is actually 3 different trends stacked into one. So you've probably seen the it's worth the money reel trend. You've seen some version of like cutout hands, and then obviously emojis are really, really big right now. So we've basically combined all 3 of those different visual trends into one feed post format for you. Now, this type of content is recommendation content, which means it's either going to get shared amongst people or it's going to get saved. And this is exactly what you want for this type of post. And bonus points, you can slip in your offer or your product in one of the 5 things to be like kind of a soft sell without it feeling like an ad. While this one might take you a little bit longer to customize because we've given you variations in skin tones for the hand, there are tons of different ways that you can add in cutout images or your product. And then obviously you want to customize the text as well. So while the format is done for you, this one does require a little bit of customization. This one should take you still under 20 minutes to create though. Trend number 4 is the normal person meme. And this leans into a bit of self-deprecation in meme form where we say we're a normal person with a normal amount of things, and then we don't have the normal amount of things. Obviously, coffee is the obvious choice if you have a type of brand where you and your audience love coffee, but you can replace that coffee cutout with anything you want. The more unhinged, the better, especially if your audience is in on the joke with you and they know that you absolutely love green tea, or maybe you have an obnoxious amount of screenshots of your dog. Whatever it is, make this as personal and as crazy as you want it. And again, all you really have to customize in this template is to make sure that you are adding what it is you are obsessed with. And just use the background remover tool if it's an image, or if you already have an icon or an emoji or whatever that looks like, that's going to lean a little bit nicer into the visual. And trend number 5 is the meeting iOS core. We've seen this iOS core aesthetic and visual trend really take over Instagram, and I don't think it's dying down anytime soon. So we really leaned into it with more of a meme. And you lean into the joke of having a particular meeting, and obviously the meeting not being a meeting and being actually your favorite thing to do in the entire world. And again, this leans into more of that personality style type of content because you're showing what you would rather be doing instead of being at a meeting. So again, another way to humanize your brand and your your personality a little bit more on social media. And honestly, again, this one's pretty quick and easy. You can swap out the background if you want, but all you have to do is type in what you would rather be doing. And if you feel so inclined, you can switch out the emojis as well or replace them with cutout images. So if you only have time to post one of these, we totally recommend the pause and get it free reel since it's mostly done for you and should boost a bit of engagement for you. And then if you have some more time, definitely lean into the That's So You carousel because again, we want to personalize your brand. Some of the other templates you might need to reserve a little bit more time to create, but definitely start with those two if you're a bit limited on time. And that's it for this week's trend drop. 5 different templates, 5 different trends so that you can create and customize an entire week of trending Instagram content using our Canva templates. And remember, new trend drops go out every single Monday inside of your template club. If you are interested in getting your hands on these Canva templates, head to the link in the description below to learn more. Other than that, we'll see you next week for next week's trend drops.